Easy.
Okay, terpenes. Terpenes contain carbon atom in multiple of 5. It means here isoprene. Good. 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. They are made by joining together 5 carbon isoprene unit, and oxygen containing terpene are sometimes called terpenoid. I always remember like terpenoid has a O because they contain oxygen. Good. This page is important information. Now, the isoprene rule. The near to branch is head and tail. The tail also named foot. Now, maybe tail to tail conjugation, maybe head to tail or tail to head. You understand? Tail to tail, head to head, tail to head, head to tail. 4 type of connectivity between the isoprene. Now, if
I have a question. This is exactly the same. Like, why is it?
No, it's because look, it would go till here, but there's a bond. That's why it's
the bond will be open and they make
That's
a connection.
why it's in between.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, why is this a tail? Why is this a head?
Because this is near to branch, this is head, it will be tail. It's near to branch, it's head, it's tail. Now, 2 isoprene. You see isoprene, how many carbon? 5.
5.
No, 2 isoprene. I said here 2 isoprene is 10 carbon. The name is monoterpene. 3 isoprene is 15 carbon, is sesquiterpene. 4 isoprene, 4 multiple 5 will be 20 carbon, diterpene. Now, 5 isoprene, 25 carbon, sesterterpene. 3 terpene, tetraterpene. Which of them we should know with the number of the carbon until here? Monoterpene, sesquiterpene by the number of carbon and the number of isoprene is important. The other not. Now, what they do, what the terpene and terpenoid do for us, they, for example, spearmint oil that you eat the chewing gum, it has a carbon is a spearmint oil, is a isoprene. Now, lycopene and beta carotene are tetraterpene. Tetraterpene, how many carbon?
40.
40. Why tetraterpene? 40 divided by 5 is 8. It means 8 isoprene should be found here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example. And see, the combination is changed at the middle. For example, this one is 1 isoprene, yes? This one is isoprene, is a tail to head. But here is a tail to tail. Understand me? At the middle, the convergence, and because of that, the branch are done. What should we know? We should know that the lycopene, and you know what is the lycopene? Is a red color of tomato. Tomato has a lycopene and has a tomatidine. Tomatidine is a steroid alkaloid. Lycopene is a terpenoid. Lycopene and beta carotene have isoprene unit. Lycopene is red. Beta carotene is orange. And do you know why? All of them are a conjugated double bond. Conjugated. Double bond, no double bond, double bond, no double bond, conjugated. Because of this conjugative double bond, they can absorb the light at the red wavelength, at the orange wavelength. They are colorful. Most of the terpenoid are colorful. Most of terpenoid, most means 99.9%, are colorful. Because of?
Conjugative.
Yeah, because of conjugated double bond. Terpene biosynthesis, formation of geranyl pyrophosphate. That's very important. Okay, what he wants to do to you. Isoprene, you see these 2 double bond may be summarized and come just in the middle. In this case, what is the name? I want to draw it bigly.
Do it here.
Yes. What is the name of this compound?
That's iso.
Can you imagine that it was this? And the hand is here. In this case, the name is allele, isn't it? It's the allele. Not 2-methyl on the allele. You see, on this is allele and 2-methyl on the allele. آرمان میشه خاموشش کنی؟ من شاگرد دارم. خب تمیز کن، یه کار دیگه بکن. Dimethyl on the allele with pyrophosphate means 2-phosphate. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's written here isopentenyl. Why? I wanna draw it bigly. We should make a decision why this is isopentenyl. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane means alkane. Pentane means alkane. Actually, this is the isopentane here in this structure.
But pentane's 5.
Yes, 1,
okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But what was the name of this?
Dimethyl on the allele. The other name will be 2-methyl 2-butane. IUPAC name. What should we remember? We should remember that these are two isoprene, but in different bond allocation. Dimethyl pyrophosphate plus isopentenyl pyrophosphate produce geranyl. Now, if it has 5 carbon, geranyl should have 10 carbon. Later, you learn that geranyl plus another isoprene produce 15 carbon. The name of that is farnesyl. And farnesyl plus another 15 carbon produce esteran, 30 carbon.
But why? What? So one unit is gone, and then we go there, yeah?
Yeah.
Do we have to know this?
Just know
the names.
Yes, the names. Always these two with a structure. These two with a structure you should know. And these just by name. Geranyl. And then farnesyl just by name. Okay. Farnesyl plus farnesyl. Another farnesyl produce esteran, and esteran produce cholesterol with 27 carbon.
So we have to know the cycle.
Yes, and it's later also coming. Esteran or esqualen. I said they are the same. No. Isoprene geranyl, not this geranyl, could be ringing, cycling, produce geraniol in the rose, produce citronelle in the rose, and geranium oil in citronella, in lemon oil, can produce in juniper oil, the smelling of juniper oil, the smelling of the, and that's terpene hydrate, that's for cough medicine, suppress the cough medicine, or limonen, or for example menthol in peppermint. It means geraniol is in all of the flavor and
not important.
No, we wanna go to carotenoid.
But it's not important, yeah?
No, not important. This is important, 200%. That this cycling is important. And you have it very good explanation in the lab manual.
Okay, let me just write it.
Lab manual. Now, we want to go to carotenoid. Tetraterpene, plant product, biological function, photosynthesizes by provitamin A, vision, cell-cell communication, cell membrane, cancer prevention, and antioxidant. The biological function of carotenoid is 50% important. Now, terpene biosynthesis. Formation of geranyl. Now you learn that the geranyl and geranyl again. I don't know why it's coming this page again. I don't know really. But lycopene beta-carotene is again coming here. And you see a lot of vegetables.
Yeah.
They are very important. So vegetables. All of the vegetables are colorful. Why? Because of the carotenoid. The leaves are green and then it will be yellowish and orangish on the autumn. Why? Because of the carotenoid.
Can you just write colorful vegetables because of carotenoid?
Plant product, colorful vegetables and fruit, because of the conjugated double bond, colorful. Now, it's give you by the ring numbering also, but that's not important. No. And group of carotenoid.
So we don't have to know beta and alpha carotenoid, the structure.
Yeah, we shouldn't know. And group of carotenoid. Okay, we should go to alkaloid.
We did that, isn't it?
Are you sure that we did these two cycles?
I don't have them with
these
me.
two.
You
It's
know,
not here?
I had them in the single lecture, you know.
Really?
Yeah. But I remember the first page, and it was the same one. We also
Okay.
had this plant. And
Because
it looks,
these parts is similar to me. But and we finish also the barbituric
yeah.
acid. No, what's this? Antibiotic. Soft part. No, we don't.
no, we didn't do that. You know, organic chemistry didn't do it.
That's a fucking. That's not important for us.
Really?
It's last semester.
It's not common.
No.
Transition metals?
You know the transition. You know the complex ligand. You know them.
How? Catalase?
Yeah, this one we don't know. It's from here.
But like, if we know them, can we just briefly go through it, like 10 minutes? Like really
First
fast?
of all comes here.
So what do we have to check?
Do we have this one before?
We had,
No. Metamizole, yes, we have chemotherapy.
I think we did that. But you know, I will bring,
You see the complexes? That's for sure, that's important, but not for you. It was last semester. Lewis base, Lewis acid, you know them. And here it's coming here, the nucleophile. These are not coming for you, I'm sure.
yeah?
These are 3 years ago PDF. I'm sure.
So just write down here in front, like it's not common to exam.
Yeah, I write here.
The lecture not common to
these,
exam.
these are old PDF.
Not common to exam.
No, maybe coming, but they are old PDF. These are not the new one. You see, these are important. It was last semester. Do you have it that a lot? Who is the Lewis base? Who is the Lewis acid? Old PDF. This is also old PDF. Old PDF, it means that's old. The old one die. No, this one.
Alkaloids I have to check, yeah?
No, don't check that. I know that.
Because we did some alkaloid, but you said like the second. Yeah, this one we have to do.
Transitional metal iron is in the hemoglobin. This one. Catalase. These are really nothing. You can read this one. These are doesn't have anything such much important. Zinger finger properties. These are nothing. Are you sure that these are just this PDF?
I bought them for second semester from the coffee shop, so.
No. We have 4 more PDF. Glycolic acid, uracil, and 1 more. I don't remember the first one. Please check your topics. You know where is the topic? I should show you on the website. Because these are not yours. These are very old PDF. I remember this one.
Department?